Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video, we'll demonstrate how you can take a 10-inch tire off a rim and then put it back using Tech Fanatics tire changer. So let's get started. We begin with setting the machine in the right air pressure. Use the pressure gauge and knob to set it right. Lift the knob up and set the air pressure between 6 to 8 bar. Firstly, come the wheel from which tire to be removed. Take out the valve stem from the tire. Next, we line the shovel with the edge of the rim and press the second pedal. Flip the tire around and on other side and repeat the same process. Once it's done, we place the tire on the top of the machine. Press the first pedal to lock the tire with the jaw. Now we take this arm and swing it in, and here we want to put the mountain head down against the edge of the rim. We will lock it with the help of this knob. Next, we take this iron bar and place it against the mountain head. We bring out the leading lip with the help of this iron bar. Hold the bar at place and press the third pedal. Bring the second side of tire up with this iron bar. Now the tire is off the rim. Now go ahead and release the knob and allow the old tire to be taken off. To install a new tire on the rim, we will need to adjust it at a specific angle with the mounting head, such that a part of tire is below the front of the mounting head and the other part is above the mounting head. While retaining this position, press the second pedal. With this, we have successfully installed the tire on the rim once again. The next step is to seal the bead with the rim. Take the pressure gauge attached with the machine and start filling air in the tab. Once it's done, put the vial stem back in and fill the tire with air pressure. Release the tire from the machine. Here we have our new tire.